Welcome to July. It has been quite a busy summer here at Milton Public Library, and it's time for another Tasty Explorations video. This month's book is Salsa Daddy by Rick Martinez, and it says dip your way into Mexican cooking. And I have to say, this is a gorgeous book. It is so bright and fresh. Like, just look at that photo. It's beautifully laid out. And I love dips. I just love how you can take a bunch of really fresh ingredients, veggies, even fruit, and mix them all up with seasonings and spices, and then you can eat them in all kinds of different ways, with chips or toast or veggies or, it's just a fun, I've always loved dips, and there's so many unique ones in here. There's, your traditional pepper salsas, but then there's it's just really a fun and friendly book. His tone is very engaging and happy, and I just like it, and he even has this little section in the front where it says, Rick, I'm looking for a salsa for, and then, all different options. So if you want one for sandwiches or holidays, or if you love heat or a summer barbecue, or he's got a section called the 5-Minute Miracles. I've never seen so many salsa recipes in one place. So it's just really fun, and I highly recommend you come and check it out. Summer's a great time. A lot of fruits and veggies are fresh, and if you're not growing your own garden, you can hit the farmer's market and pick some stuff out to make a fabulous salsa to enjoy. The one that I'm going to try, and I haven't yet, but I will, is this one. Kind of difficult to see, but it's called Mermelada Picante de Bayo de Verano, which translates to a spicy summer berry jam. And I just picked strawberries recently, so I'm going to use fresh strawberries, and you use candied ginger and cayenne pepper to make this berry jam that he says you should put on a turkey sandwich or grilled cheese. And that just sounds amazing. I think it would also be good on pork chops. So let me know what you think. We'll have copies of the book here for you, or if they all get checked out, I'll gladly put one on hold for you and get them ordered. But we hope you're having a fun, amazing, refreshing summer. We're halfway there if you're counting down the days till school starts. But again, Salsa Daddy by Rick Martinez. Wonderful, colorful, engaging book. Just a nice cookbook all around. So come and check it out. We'll see you next time. Bye.